Welcome to Share Navigator's Options 101 course, your guide to understanding call and put options. Let's get started. In this video, we'll cover what options are and why they are a powerful tool for traders and investors. First up, there are two types of options: call options and put options. A call option gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy an asset at a specified price before a certain date. Key terms include the strike price, the price at which the asset can be bought, the expiration date, which is the date the call option to buy ends, and the premium, which is the cost of the call option. Now let's turn our attention to put options and how they differ from call options. A put option gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to sell an asset at a specified price before a certain date. Similar to call options, put options also have a strike price, expiration date, and premium. During this course, we'll explore basic strategies like the long call, betting on price increases, and the long put, betting on price decreases. So we've got the basics of call and put options down. Next up, we'll look at some simple, real-world examples of how you might use them in your day-to-day life. Would you like to fast-track your learning and get daily support and follow our real-life option and futures trades? Contact us and request a free trial of our mentoring service. Visit sharenavigator.ie.